始まるよ。
Hi, I'm Gashakin GT. Welcome to Go Go Biku Town.
Gashakin, I want to see the fire engine that's the only one in Japan.
Then let's get started. Here's today's vehicle. It's a red salamander.
Wow, that's so cool. I wonder where it is.
Hello, Lappy. I'm the all-terrain vehicle, Red Salamander. It's nice to meet you.
I don't see any hoses or ladders. What does Mr. Red Salamander do?
Lappy, there are fire engines that put out fires and fire engines that rescue people. The red salamander's job is to immediately go to a disaster site when a disaster occurs and rescue people and transport necessary goods to the site. It's a rare fire engine and only one exists in Japan.
But what is so great about it?
Lappy, his greatest feature is this crawler.
Ah, you're right. They're not tires.
The red salamander can go over rough grounds and rubble with this crawler, and even move forward where there are uneven surfaces and mud. Not only this, it can move even in water like this.
He can even move in water. Wow!
There's more. The red salamander's body is split in half. So even if it has a big body, it can turn in small spaces. Incidentally, the salamander is, in Japanese, sanshouuo. Sanshouuos can live on both land and in water. The red salamander can operate both on land and in water too, so that's why he got the name.
I see.
Just for you, Lappy, I'll show you what it's like in the driver's seat.
Really? Can't wait! I'm coming in. Whoa!
In the driver's seat, beside the steering wheel and brakes, are the buttons to operate the sirens. And a mic to call out to people in the area.
全地形対応車信号機を左へ曲がります。全地形対応車信号機を左へ。
Amazing!
Now, watch the ceiling.
Ah! It's opening!
This is an escape hatch. There are 3 of them in total. The side doors sometimes can't be opened in the water, so this escape hatch is used.
Lappy, next, I'll show you the rear car.
I was wondering about that. I wonder what it looks like inside. Ah!
The rear car can seat the rescuers and the people rescued, seating up to 6 people. There's more! When heading toward the disaster site, it also gets used as a place to store equipment. Life jackets and stretchers are loaded here and taken to the site.
Really? By the way, why are you in Okazaki City, Aichi?
It's because Okazaki City, Aichi is pretty much in the middle of Honshu. So I can go anywhere immediately when a disaster occurs, wherever it is.
The red salamander can go as fast as 50 kilometers per hour. However, when it needs to go to a faraway site, It's transported on a dedicated carrier or an airplane.
That's quite an ordeal.
Lappy, there are other vehicles that work at disaster sites, so let's go see them.
Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Where are you, friends of Mr. Red Salamander?
Row, 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 row! Did someone just call out to me?
Huh? Yeah!
My name's Earthquake Disaster Work Vehicle. My job is to remove rubble and gravel at a disaster site.
Hello, Mr. Earthquake Disaster Work Vehicle.
First of all, let me show you my special equipment. Here it is.
Ah! I see something like an arm coming out. What's about to happen here? It's growing and growing.
You haven't seen nothing yet. I do my work by attaching a device to the tip of my arm to pick things up.
What device is that?
First of all, the scrap grapple. I use it to remove big things like concrete and wood.
You're incredibly strong.
Now, the orange grapple. This features 6 claws and is useful when removing small things, like gravel.
It's just like a hand.
The Earthquake Disaster Work Vehicle changes the tip of its arm depending on the needs.
I see.
I even have a winch. And a wrecker that's used to tow cars.
You can do so many things.
Lappy, do you know more about us now?
Yes. It looks like tough work, but we're counting on you.
Go Go Biku Town is currently on YouTube. Go Go Biku Town, subscribe!